Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a beautiful song from Jaden called Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's take a look at this song. And we have a capo high up here on the 7th fret. Why? Because we have to use easy chords and also to get the melody right to match up with the sound. So that's the reason. Capo on 7th, let's go. With that, we have a couple chords to go over. So let's take a look at the G major 7 first. Okay, so that will be to play 3rd fret on E string. And then I mute the next string with the finger I'm using there, normally the mid finger. I'll lean it just on top of the A. Gets muted, and then go to D, open, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is the F sharp minor. So it's a bar chord, and you place your index finger on the 2nd fret, you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have B minor next. You keep that bar finger on the 2nd fret. This time you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below are necessary. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. And then we have the E minor 7. And it's very easy. You're gonna play all 6 strings on this chord. All strings will be open except from the 2nd fret A string. You're gonna add that 2nd fret A, all other strings open, and that's the E minor 7. Okay, so the chord progression will be G major to the F sharp minor and to the B minor. That's the first half, and then you have the second half. It's the E minor 7 to the F sharp minor. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the melody first. So let's go chord by chord, starting with the G major. It goes like this. So that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 3rd B, then 2nd high E, back to 3rd B, and then you're gonna play 3rd E string in the bass together with 3rd B again, then open B and open G. That's the first G major chord. Then we have the F sharp minor part. It goes like this. So what I do here is to play 2nd fret E string in the bass together with 2nd G and 2nd B. That 2nd G is just supported. The note you want to highlight here is the 2nd B string, but I get the support with the 2nd G as well. So, okay, and then you're gonna play open high E and back to 2nd B. Okay, that's the F sharp minor part, and then we have the B minor part. It goes like this. And that is to play 2nd fret on A string together with 3rd B. And then you're gonna reach out to the 5th E, the high E string. And that's the first half of it. So G major, F sharp minor, B minor is done. Now into the second half of this melody, it goes like this with the E minor 7. So that is to play open E string in the bass together with 3rd B, then 2nd high E, and back to 3rd B. Then you're gonna play the open E string in the bass together with open G, then open D, and 2nd A. And then we have the final chord, the F sharp left, and you're gonna play like this. So that is to play the 2nd fret E string in the bass together with 2nd G, the supporting note there, and the 2nd B. Then open high E and 2nd B, and then you just repeat that again. So again, exactly the same for 2 times. Okay, so that is the end of the melody. So we have that chord progression of G major, F sharp, B minor, then E minor 7 to this F sharp. I'm gonna take you through this. I'm gonna take down the tempo even more so you really can hear and listen for every note. Let's go. faster, it goes like this. So on. All right, gorgeous melody, isn't it, from Jaden? Let's go into the strumming now, and this is kind of an up-tempo song. I took down the strumming a little bit here to just play the song with the chords and be able to relax. Okay, so I made it a little bit more guitar friendly, and sometimes it's very given how the strumming will be, especially if it's a guitar song. And this time it's not that simple. We just have to make it in our own way, and that is how I have this interpretation here of this strumming with down, down, clap, down. That's what I'm gonna use. So if you grab the first chord, the G major, you're gonna play like this for one string round, okay? So it takes down the tempo a little bit, and it's perfectly fine. So down, down, clap, down. It's one string round like this. When you use this strumming, it translates into G major, 2 string round, then F sharp 1 and B minor 1. That's the first half. And then the second half will be E minor 7, 2 string rounds, and the F sharp 2 string rounds. And that will be one chord progression of this strumming. So let's do it together. G2, F1, and B minor 1, B minor 2, and F2 again. Yeah, some freestyle there. You can add in the claps with the melody you have, and that is how you handle Jaden's gorgeous. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me on Green Guitar. Actually, I command you to do that. It's very much appreciated. So thank you so much for your support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.